Very soon you can buy my tomatoes and my chiles in the supermarket. You know, those chili picosos así que te ponen a gozar. We like to suffer, you know. Those chiles are so hot, but you still, you know, you're suffering, you're, you know, with tear, but you're still eating them. I just came downstairs, I went for a hike, and then I decided to record my tomato plants. Kimmy, or Kimberly, my youngest daughter, she always plants tomato um, every summer, and this time she gave me some plants, and here they are. I have two types of tomato: cherry tomato, this one's here, and big tomatoes here. So I have quite a few. My neighbor downstairs and my landlord lady lent me this container. This is full of dirt inside, so they have a lot of dirt, like 14 bags, so they have a lot of space for the root. And I have a pepper here, this one pepper, and upstairs I have some chili plants. She gave me some chili. Those ones look amazing, but I'm very happy how they're coming along. And they have a lot of little tomatoes. And here are my chili plants. Look how big they are. Little plants with huge chilies. Look at that. Look at this one. And that one there. Look at the length of that one. Everywhere. And a passion fruit plant here there. So I had to try them. So they're a little plant, but it's full of flowers and full of little chilies. So I'm very excited, ready to try one. I received some online orders for my purse making projects. So I received this beautiful blue zipper. It's a very long piece to cut as you need it. I ordered blue because I need it for my project. The bag I'm making right now is exactly this blue, and here is the hardware, but they don't have ends, so I ordered some extra ends for the zipper. There's some metal ends. And I ordered this one. I thought they were a little bit lighter. They're quite dark. It's a navy blue, almost black, but they're really nice, really good quality. Look at that beautiful butterfly. I'll be using this as well for other projects because they're really nice. I ordered 3 of those. And I ordered 5 stars, but the stars are small. I thought they were a little bit bigger. So for the project I'm making, they're a little bit too small. I will have to order or go to Fabricland to see if they have a little bit bigger than these ones. It's a shame because I was so excited about these. Like, you can't believe how I wasn't excited about the rest of the stuff. I was excited about the stars. I ordered as well this electric comb, a straightening comb. I saw this on a TikTok, and I said, well, that looked like a really good alternative for my hair instead of the hair straightening. You know, that I have my iron. The iron that I have is absolutely amazing. My niece, she lives in the state and she's hairdresser, and I asked her to recommend me a good hair straightening, an iron, and she recommended that one, and it's the best. It's a little bit expensive, but it's the best. Don't burn my hair, and I don't use it as hot as the go because it will be too hot, but it's really good. But these I will open to show you, and let's see if it's good. Let's see.
A gentle morning. First we breathe, then we pray. Thank you for another sunrise, for every color.
I have a nice weight to it, so if depend of the weight, is the good quality. So it's a good quality comb. So I'm gonna charge it first before I put it on or anything. I like to charge my electronics when I buy them. That way I don't discharge the battery completely. That can cause problem. So I'm gonna charge it. So this is plastic, and so is around the heated elements. So that way you don't burn your scalp, but it feel like really good quality product. So I'm gonna leave the link of all this stuff here in the description box, and also I left the on the other blog the link of everything you need for the bags, just in case you want to do some bags. You can go there and buy everything that you need, and I'm done to use it because it feels really nice. So I'll have to go and buy bigger stuff because I think these ones are too small. I will go to Fabric Land to see if they have some a little bit bigger. So I finished the black and white bag, and came to pick it up yesterday. She don't want to wait for the little keychain that I always make for them. So this is the one black and white. This one is for my pink purse, and look, it's the same pink as my nails. So I have to make this and give to her. It's the same material that I use for my keychain, and art with a little butterfly. That's my card in my house chain. Really nice. I love it. So I have to make a blue one for the blue one that I'm making. So I hope you guys like this small video and give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are not already a subscriber, and please share my video with friends and family and in groups. Give it a thumbs up. That's what I help the most. You give it a thumbs up, don't forget that, and I will see you here on my next video, next blog or tutorial, you know, trying to record a little bit more often now. So I wish you a wonderful day. Bye. Mwah.